Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Santander Bank account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser of your choice. Now on the search bar, search for santanderbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now once you search for it, you will end up in its official page, which looks like this. Now in order to get logged into your Santander Bank account, you have to tap on login button at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, a login box will be appear on your screen. Now you have to type in the username of your bank account, and then you have to type in your account password. Now if in case you have either forgotten your username or your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget user ID link for your user ID and the forget password link for your password. Now once you're done with typing in your username and password, tap on login button in order to get logged into your Santander Bank account. Once you tap on login button, if the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you will be successfully get logged into your Santander Bank account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Santander Bank account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in my next video.